In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Uber Eats order quickly and easily. Whether you've made a mistake, changed your mind, or simply need to adjust your plans, I'll guide you through the steps you need to follow in order to successfully cancel your order on the Uber Eats app. Let's dive in and explore this straightforward process so you can feel confident managing your orders. First things first, you'll want to open the Uber Eats app on your device. This is the starting point to access your current orders. Once you've successfully logged into your account, look towards the bottom of the screen and you should see an option labeled Orders. Click on this section to proceed. This is where Uber Eats accumulates all your active and past orders, making it easy to review and manage them efficiently. Now, locate the order that you wish to cancel. Tap on it to reveal more details. You will be able to see essential information regarding the restaurant, the items you have ordered, delivery status, and more. This will help ensure you are canceling the correct order, especially if you've placed multiple orders or frequently used the app. Once you've confirmed that you are looking at the correct order, pay attention to the option that says Cancel Order. It should be prominently displayed in the order details section. It's important to note that the ability to cancel may depend on the order status and at what point the restaurant has started preparing your food. Hence, acting promptly is crucial if you've decided to cancel. Tap on the Cancel Order option. This is where Uber Eats will typically ask you for a reason for the cancellation. Providing a reason, though sometimes optional, is worthwhile as it helps Uber Eats improve its service and accommodate users better in the future. It's an uncomplicated process with a selection of common reasons or an option to provide your own. After selecting a reason, you may sometimes need to confirm the cancellation one more time to ensure no orders are mistakenly canceled. This extra step acts as a safeguard, giving you a brief moment to reconsider just to be certain about your choice. Click on the final cancel order confirmation and you have successfully canceled your order. Just remember, depending on the timing of your cancellation, there may be fees involved. Reviewing this information as you cancel will ensure you are well informed about any potential charges. And there you have it. Canceling an Uber Eats order is as easy as that. I hope this video has provided you with a clear and helpful understanding of how to cancel an Uber Eats order. If you found it useful, feel free to explore other guides to enhance your Uber Eats experience. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.